Are you ready to transform Follow Up Boss from a source of overwhelm into your secret weapon for skyrocketing sales? First, master your lead management. Start by diligently organizing your lead inbox. Tag each lead with specific categories such as lead source, property interest, or urgency level. This allows for focused follow-up strategies. Next, automate repetitive tasks to save precious time. Set up automated email sequences for different lead types. Nurture campaigns for new leads, follow-up reminders for showings, and post-closing thank you messages. Now, unlock seamless workflows with strategic integrations. Connect Follow Up Boss with your email marketing platform to personalize communication at scale. Integrate with your social media channels to track lead engagement, and sync with your calendar to manage appointments effortlessly. Regularly analyze your Follow Up Boss dashboard to track key performance indicators: lead conversion rates, average deal size, and time to close. Identify areas for improvement and refine your strategies accordingly. By implementing these simple yet powerful strategies, you'll not only streamline your workflow but also cultivate stronger customer relationships, ultimately driving improved sales performance and client satisfaction.